Hi there, welcome to the Sui Wyckoff Bar Speculation Weekly. We're looking at the Sui weekly chart, and according to the current picture, it's coming down from last week rebound. So if we look at this, I'm making this simple. I'm not putting another LPSY tag over here, but we all know there are multiple bounces before a full retreat. In some cases, there would only be like one and then one mini, like the one happened in 2024, almost exactly 1 year ago. And going back to the chart before getting into the details, these sessions are not financial advice, they are for education and research purpose only. So let's continue. Given the current picture and the price rebound or bounced back from the yellow resistance line that I've drawn in the past sessions, if we look at the daily chart, we can see the volume has been more or less, let's make it auto, more or less the same over the past week, like from mid-end of last week to the mid of this week, and then it's started to shrink. Well, given it's the weekend and Easter holiday as well, so it's understandable that there may be less activities, and other reason could be people are waiting for directions or news to change the direction of the prices. That's why it's now bouncing between this yellow resistance line at around $2.35-36 to like between this yellow and then the white line is around $1.88. So that's the trading range that I have previously mentioned. If you're new to these sessions, so basically we have this blue downward trending playground zone. So last time I was saying when the price reaches this triangle, it may like break out, and then it did. However, after it broke out, it would be suppressed, or like it has to break above this yellow line in order to go up further. However, like the price has tested this line basically if we look at these 2 days. However, both days, the 12th and the 13th, both closed below this line. So it seems that this resistance force is pretty strong, especially if we refer to this part that happened in mid-March, and also this part that happened in late March and early April. Over the course of the entire like 30 days period, has been like a pretty strong resistance over here. So unless there are some very crazy news like the announcement of tariffs or like lifting of tariffs, this line seems difficult to be broken above again. So that's the picture of Sui.